in my YouTube video channel of Engineering Graphics and Design subject. Myself Aarti Patel from LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. This is 5th session of Introduction chapter. Topics which we are going to learn in this session are plane scale and example of plane scale. Before starting plane scale, the knowledge of basic linear measuring units and its relation must require. That is, we already covered in previous session. Here, measuring units mm, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer and its relation are given. Another measuring unit, yard, foot, inch and its relation also given. Next, let us understand what is plane scale. Plane scale is nothing but a straight line is divided into suitable number of parts or units, the first unit of which is further subdivided. It is a straight line. Take height of this straight line approx 0.5 centimeter, which is divided into suitable number of parts, and first unit or division which is further subdivided. Now, plane scale is used to represent either two interconnected consecutive units and a unit and its fraction up to first place of decimal. Next, let us solve example of plane scale. First example, construct a plane scale of RF 1:50 to show meters and decimeters and long enough up to 8 meters. Indicate 6.7 meter distance on scale. Now first we need to find length of plane scale in centimeter. The formula is length of plane scale is equal to RF into maximum length. Here the value of RF and maximum lengths are given. So put the value of RF and maximum length. RF is equal to 1/50 and maximum length is 8 meter. Now this 8 meter converted into centimeter, so multiply with 100. Answer is 16 centimeter. Next, draw 16 centimeter line. Take height approx 0.5 centimeter, which is indicate maximum 8 meter length. Now this 16 centimeter line divided into equal 8 parts because which is indicate maximum 8 meter length. So this 16 centimeter length divide into equal 8 parts. Size of each division is here 2 centimeter. Next, mark division points for meter. Mark initial unit from first division as per drawing rule. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 meter. Now another unit is given decimeter. Here we know the relation of meter and decimeter. 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. So first division further subdivided into equal 10 parts, which is indicate decimeter. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 decimeter. As per given data, indicate 6.7 meter distance on this scale. So 6 meter and 7 decimeter. Take 6 meter distance up to 6 number of division and 7 decimeter take from subdivision 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Indicate here 6.7 meter distance or 6 meter 7 decimeter. At last, here mention RF. RF for this plane scale is given 1:50. Next, second example. Construct a plane scale to show kilometer and hectometers when 25 mm is equal to 1 kilometer and long enough to measure up to 6 kilometers. Find RF and show a distance of 3 kilometer and 4 hectometer on the scale. Now here also first we need to find length of plane scale in centimeter. Length of plane scale is equal to RF into maximum length. Here RF is not given directly, but we know that RF is equal to drawing size divided by actual size. Here drawing size is given 25 mm, which is indicate 1 kilometer. So put the value of RF, drawing size 25 mm and actual size 1 kilometer. Maximum length is given 6 kilometer. So put the value of maximum length 6 kilometer. Now answer in centimeter is 50. Next draw 15 centimeter line which is indicate maximum 6 kilometer. Now this 16 centimeter line divide into equal 6 part because which is indicate 6 kilometer. Mark here kilometer points as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now another measuring unit is given hectometer. Now here kilometer is bigger than hectometer. We know the relation of kilometer and hectometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometer. So first unit subdivided into equal 10 parts because the relation of kilometer and hectometer is 10. Mark here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hectometer. Here show the distance of 3 kilometer and 4 hectometer on the scale. So take kilometer 3 from main division and 4 hectometer from subdivision because subdivision indicate hectometer. And indicate here 3 kilometer, 4 hectometer or 3.5 and indicate here 3 kilometer, 4 hectometer or 3.4 kilometer. Now mention RF on right side of scale. RF is equal to drawing size divided by actual size. Drawing size is given 25 mm. Actual size is given 1 kilometer. So 1 kilometer converted into mm. 1 into 10 raised to 6. And RF is equal to 1 upon 40,000. Next, let us solve third example. Construct a plane scale with RF is equal to 1 upon 5. Show decimeter and centimeters. The scale should be long enough to measure 1 meter. Show the length of 7.4 decimeter on it. Here first we need to find length of the plane scale in centimeter is equal to RF into maximum length. Put the value of RF and maximum length in this formula. RF is equal to given 1 upon 5 and maximum length is given 1 meter. Now here scale is for decimeter and centimeter and maximum length is given in meter. So meter length converted into decimeter and we know that 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. So here multiply with 10. Now answer in centimeter is equal to 20 centimeter. Next draw 20 centimeter straight line which is indicate 1 meter or 10 decimeter. Next, this 20 centimeter line divided into equal 10 parts and mark here decimal points as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Here second measuring unit is centimeter. We know the relation of decimeter and centimeter. 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. So, first unit subdivided into equal 10 parts which is indicate centimeter. Show the length of 7.4 decimeter on the scale. So, take 7 decimeter from main division and 4 centimeter from subdivision and indicate here 7.4 decimeter or 7 decimeter 4 centimeter. At last write here RF is equal to 1 upon 5. Next let us solve fourth example. The distance between two places is 240 km and its equivalent distance on map is 12 cm. Draw plane scale and indicate 270 km and 120 km. Here the scale is only for one measuring unit which is kilometer. First we need to find length of plane scale in centimeter is equal to RF into maximum length. Put the value of RF and maximum length from given data. Here RF is not given in direct form but we know that RF is equal to drawing size divided by actual size. Here drawing size is given 12 cm and the actual size of this 12 cm is 240 km. Maximum length is 270 km. So answer in centimeter is equal to 13.5 cm. Next draw 13.5 cm line which is indicate maximum 270 km. Now here divide this 270 km line into equal 3 parts. Mark here its kilometer as 0, 90, 180 and 270 km. Here subdivision also indicate kilometer. Main division also indicate kilometer because the scale is only for kilometer measuring units. First division divide into equal 9 parts and mark here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90 kilometers. Show here 120 kilometer distance. So take 90 kilometer from main division and 30 kilometers from subdivision. And indicate here 120 kilometers. At last, find out RF. RF is equal to 12 centimeter divided by 240 kilometer. This centimeter converted into mm, kilometer also converted into mm. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm, so multiply with 10, and 1 kilometer is equal to 10 raised to 6 mm, so multiply with 10 raised to 6. So RF is equal to 1 upon 2 into 10 raised to 6. Next, let us solve fifth example. The length of the Khandala tunnel on the Mumbai-Pune expressway is 330 meter. On the road map, it is shown by 16.5 centimeter long line. Construct a plane scale to show meters and to measure up to 400 meter. Show length of 290 meter long on the expressway. First, as per rule, find out length of plane scale in centimeter is equal to RF into maximum length. Here RF is not given directly, but we know that RF is equal to drawing size divided by actual size. So put the value of RF from given data. Drawing size is given 16.5 centimeter and its actual size is given 330 meter. Maximum length is given 400 meter. So answer in centimeter is 20. Next, draw 20 centimeter line which is indicate maximum 400 meter. This 20 centimeter line divide into equal 4 parts and mark here meter points as 0, 100, 200, 300 and 400 meter. Here the scale is only for single measuring unit. So main division and subdivision both are indicate meter. Now first division subdivided into equal 10 parts because one division indicate 100 meter. Mark here subdivision points as 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100 meter. As per given data, show length of 290 meter long on the expressway. This is indicate expressway on the place. So take 200 meter distance from main division and 90 meter distance from subdivision. So indicate here 290 meter distance. At last, find out scale here. RF, drawing length divided by actual length. Drawing length is given 16.5 centimeter. Actual length is given 330 meter. This both unit converted into mm. So RF is equal to 1 upon 2000. So this is the end of this session. See you soon in next coming video lecture. Thank you.